We have some big news coming in right here. BJP now releases another clubhouse chat audio of Prashant Kishore where he alleges the alleged voice of Prashant Kishore heard saying if Mamta loses Bengal, Maharashtra and Jharkhand, both the governments could go the BJP way. Here's what BJP has released, another clip of Prashant Kishore. Let's take a quick listen.
Let's put it this way, it is far more crucial for opposition than for BJP. BJP can afford to lose Bengal, but still because they will emerge as a very strong opposition even in their loss, and they can go on to win a Gujarat or UP and resurrect themselves and keep their dominance at the national level. If Didi were to lose Bengal, then I'm sure Maharashtra will go, Jharkhand will see what happened in Bihar, and possibly Rajasthan will go as well. So it's far more crucial from that point of view. I don't think it is as crucial for BJP as it is for the opposition.
All right, now ripples in Bengal politics after BJP released an alleged audio clip of TMC's chief poll strategist Prashant Kishore. In the alleged audio here, Prashant Kishore can be heard admitting that the BJP is winning Bengal polls and there is anti-incumbency factor in the state against Mamta Banerjee. Here's really the full story here.
Explosive audio leak of TMC's poll strategist Prashant Kishore virtually conceding defeat.
तो सरकार किसकी बन रही है उसमें predominantly BJP ही आता है हम लोग के भी सर्वे में.
Released by BJP, the audio of TMC's Chanakya Prashant Kishore has created political ripples in Bengal. In the leaked audio, Prashant is heard saying that as per TMC's internal survey, BJP is forming government in Bengal.
हम लोग एक सर्वे करते हैं कि आप वोट किसको दीजिएगा और सरकार किसकी बन रही है. तो सरकार किसकी बन रही है उसमें प्रीडोमिनेंटली बीजेपी ही आता है हम लोग के भी सर्वे में. हम लोग समझते हैं बाहर जो बंगाल में नहीं पहले आए थे तो भाई बीजेपी का नीचे ग्राउंड पे वर्कर नहीं है. ऐसी बात नहीं है. ग्राउंड पर बीजेपी के बहुत वर्कर हैं और वो सारे वर्कर लेफ्ट से इम्पोर्टेड हो सकते हैं लेकिन वो डेडिकेटेडली आज बीजेपी के लिए काम कर रहे हैं.
Prashant also accepts that there is an anti-incumbency in Bengal against Mamta in the alleged audio clip.
प्लस जो एंटी इनकम्बेंसी है वो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के खिलाफ है, सेंटर के खिलाफ है नहीं. और मोदी है पॉपुलर, यहाँ काफी पॉपुलर. अगर आप लीडर का हम लोग सर्वे कर रहे हैं तो मोदी और ममता आर इक्वली पॉपुलर.
Accepting the charge of appeasement, TMC's poll advisor claims that appeasement has resulted into resentment on the ground.
मेजर जो प्रॉब्लम है which we have to accept कि 20 years से there has been blatant effort and everything has been done to appease the minority. अब आप बंगाल को उठाकर देख लीजिए. पॉलिटिक्स का यहाँ एक लाइन का सिंपल फलसफा ये रहा है कि जिसको मुसलमान वोट करेगा वो सरकार बनाएगा.
India Today spoke to BJP IT cell head Amit Malviya, who tweeted the clip saying that Prashant Kishore has conceded defeat.
He also admits that there is anti-incumbency against Mamta Banerjee. He also says that Modi is extremely popular in Bengal. There's a cult-like following that he enjoys there. He has basically given up on the election. He has conceded that the BJP is in the lead.
After the storm, Prashant Kishore spoke to India Today and accused BJP of using distorted and selective part of the audio clip. He also challenged the Saffron Party to release full audio. Prashant reiterated that BJP will not cross 100 seats.
उनका पूरा ऑडियो टेप पार्शियली एडिट करके नहीं, पूरा ऑडियो टेप आपको दिया जाए, क्वेश्चन आंसर पूरा कुल मिला के दिया जाए. जैसे पहले वो एक बार बोले थे कि बीजेपी कभी पश्चिम बंगाल में 100 भी सीट नहीं मिलेगा.
The leaked audio comes as a boost for the BJP, which is all set to corner Trinamool Congress, cementing its claim that Mamta is on her way out. It will also help BJP to galvanize its cadre for the remaining phases of polls. The alleged audio comes as a major embarrassment for the Trinamool Congress. The audio could create uncertainty among cadres and also gives Trinamool Congress's anti-Kishore voices a weapon. Remember, several TMC rebels, including Suvendra Adhikari, had quit, citing Prashant Kishore's interference. The audio may have a cascading impact on next phases. Will the audio gate intensify an already riveting poll battle? With Indrajit Kundu and Paulomi Saha in Kolkata, Bureau Report, India Today.